to share with you guys. Those that feel that they do not have a green thumb, those who feel that they have a black thumb, that they can't grow anything, that there is no way this is for them. Well, this is the easiest thing you can grow. It is daylilies. Daylilies are the workhorse of the garden, and they are beautiful. They come in all different colors. I have this in a whiskey barrel that I drilled holes in, but you don't have to. You can just get a pot with holes, potting soil from garden store, Lowe's, Home Depot, and buy you one daylily. Put it in there and leave it. Water it, of course, for when you get it, and leave it. Let Mother Nature take care of it. This has been sitting out here throughout the winter, the spring, the summer, the fall. Daylilies mean that they will bloom for one day, but they multiply. So if you have one plant, it's going to multiply and give you more and more flowers. It is just ridiculously easy. So this is one of those plants that you can grow, and you can do absolutely nothing but sit back and watch it grow. You can have pots and pots of daylilies. You can put these in the ground and they will come back every year for you. Let me show you another one. This was my very first daylily that I ever purchased, and I don't remember the name of it, but it's very common. You see it all over the place. And I had this in a pot for years, and I decided to put it in the ground. Well, as you can see, this one is in bloom. This was in bloom yesterday. It's getting ready to fade. Today we got more coming. Now this is something that you can just have in your garden. You don't have to have a bunch of other flowers and plants. Just get you some daylilies, and you will not be disappointed. So hopefully this will help you to go out and get you some daylilies. At this time, it is June, and places like Lowe's and Home Depot, they have these things marked down. You can go and get you one. Get one and prove me right. Prove yourself wrong that you can do this, no matter what you think about your thumb.